Let's be honest, we all want to be happy. But in a busy, stressful world, happiness can feel like it's always out of reach. We think we'll be happy when we get more money, better relationships, or the perfect job. But the Buddha taught something different. True happiness doesn't come from outside, it comes from within. In today's video, we'll explore 7 powerful Buddhist teachings that can help you become a happier, more peaceful version of yourself, starting today. Let's begin. 1. Mindfulness. Be present. Be peaceful. The first and most important teaching for happiness is mindfulness, being fully present in the moment. Most of us live in our heads. We worry about the future or regret the past, but happiness lives in the now. Do not dwell on the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Buddha. Mindfulness means paying attention to what's happening right now, with an open heart and a clear mind. It turns ordinary moments, like drinking tea, walking, or breathing, into peaceful ones. How this helps? Reduces anxiety and stress. Helps you enjoy life more deeply. Gives your mind a break from overthinking. Practice tip. Each day, choose one activity to do mindfully. Eating, walking, brushing your teeth. Focus fully on that task. Notice the sensations, sounds, smells. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the present. With mindfulness, happiness isn't far away. It's right here. 2. Gratitude. Appreciate what you already have. Buddhism teaches that desire is a major cause of suffering. We often think, I'll be happy when I get this or that. But when we get it, we want more. Gratitude breaks this cycle. Let us rise up and be thankful, for if we didn't learn a lot today, at least we learn a little. Buddha. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. When you appreciate what's in front of you, your health, your breath, your loved ones, you start to feel rich even without having much. How this helps? Increases joy and contentment, lowers envy and comparison, builds a more positive mindset. Practice tip. Every night, write down 3 things you're thankful for. They don't have to be big. Even a good cup of tea or a kind smile counts. Say thank you more to others, to life, and to yourself. Gratitude grows happiness, one thank you at a time. 3. Letting go. Don't carry what you don't need. The Buddha taught, you only lose what you cling to. We hold on to so many things. Old pain, anger, regret, people who've left, things we can't control. But holding on creates heaviness in the heart. Letting go creates space for peace. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It means choosing not to suffer again and again. It means saying, this no longer helps me. I release it. How this helps? Lightens emotional weight, heals old wounds, brings more peace into daily life. Practice tip. Think of one thing you've been carrying too long. Ask, is this helping or hurting me? If it's hurting, write it down on paper and tear it up. Let it go physically. Every time you let go, you grow a little happier. 4. Compassion. Be kind to others and yourself. Compassion, or karuna, is a cornerstone of Buddhist practice. True happiness doesn't come from getting more. It comes from giving more kindness, more patience, more understanding. When you care for others, your heart opens. When you care for yourself, your wounds begin to heal. Radiate boundless love towards the entire world. Buddha. This includes people you like, people you don't like, and even yourself. Many people are kind to others but harsh on themselves. But self-compassion is just as important as compassion for others. How this helps? Strengthens relationships. builds inner peace, increases emotional resilience. Practice tip: try the loving kindness meditation, metta. Sit quietly and repeat, "May I be happy. May I be well. May I be peaceful." Then say the same for someone you love. Then for someone neutral. Then for someone difficult. Kindness is a seed. Plant it and watch your happiness grow. 5. Simplicity. Less clutter, more clarity. Buddhism teaches that the more you chase, the more you suffer. We fill our lives with stuff, schedules, noise, expectations. But happiness is not found in complexity. It's found in simplicity. A simple life is a happy life. When your life is simple, your mind is clear. When your mind is clear, joy can rise like the sun. Simplicity doesn't mean having nothing. It means needing less. How this helps: reduces stress and overwhelm, makes room for what truly matters, increases mental clarity. Practice tip: each week, choose one area to simplify: your desk, your phone, your schedule. Ask, do I need this? Keep only what adds value or joy. A simpler outer life creates a more joyful inner life. 6. Right speech. Speak with care and honesty. Words can lift someone up or tear them down. They can bring joy or regret. Buddhism teaches right speech, part of the Noble Eightfold Path. Speak only what is true, kind, helpful, and timely. Right speech means choosing your words with wisdom and compassion. Gossip, harsh words, or constant complaining create negative energy inside you and around you. But kind, honest speech brings peace, clarity, and connection. How this helps: builds stronger relationships, reduces conflict and drama, creates a calm, respectful environment. Practice tip: before you speak, ask yourself, is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? If it's not all three, consider silence. Sometimes silence is the kindest sound. Speak mindfully, and your words will become tools for happiness. 7. Acceptance. Flow with life, not against it. One of the deepest teachings of Buddhism is acceptance. Life won't always go as planned. People will change. Things will end. You'll feel joy and pain. But peace comes not from control, it comes from acceptance. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Acceptance doesn't mean giving up. It means seeing life clearly and responding with wisdom, not resistance. When you accept what is, instead of fighting it, suffering lessens. You begin to work with life, not against it. How this helps: reduces inner struggle, increases mental and emotional peace, builds resilience and trust in life. Practice tip: each time something feels difficult, pause and breathe. Say, "This is what it is. I accept it." Then ask, "What can I do next with peace?" Acceptance is not weakness. It's inner strength wrapped in calmness. Final thoughts: choose happiness every day. Buddhist wisdom reminds us that happiness is not a destination. It's a daily choice, a moment-by-moment practice. You don't need a perfect life to be happy. You only need a mindful mind, a grateful heart, a peaceful soul. These 7 teachings are not rules. They are tools. Use them gently. Practice them daily. And remember, happiness is already within you. You just need to uncover it, one peaceful breath at a time. Thank you for joining us on BodhiRipple, where ancient wisdom meets your everyday life. If you found peace, clarity, or even just a smile from this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. Which of the 7 teachings spoke to your heart the most today? And don't stop here. Watch our next video for more Buddhist practices to help you grow into the calmest, kindest version of yourself. Until then, breathe deeply, live simply, and walk gently toward your happiness.